symbols. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? How we go to insert, click on symbols. You see, this is the types of symbols. The small size symbol, if you want to increase the font size, symbols increase. Go to home, increase the symbol size. Go to home, then go to font, then increase the font. Go to insert, go to click on symbols. See, so already we before using symbols. If you want new symbols, click on more symbols. See, lot of symbols. Close. Now go to symbols, then click more symbols, then select insert. Okay, then go to symbols, click on more symbols, then select insert. Okay, if you want color, select, go to home, select the font color. Enter, go to insert, then click symbols, click on more symbols. See, lot of symbols here. See, then see, then see, see, lot of. Okay, do you want different symbols? So click, go to symbols, click on more symbols. You go to select font. Here also, then scroll down. Here also symbols. If you want more different symbol, click on font, select. So font size, wingdings, then wingdings 2. See, different. If you want more, wingdings 3. See? Okay, lot of symbols here. The number also, name also here. See, then see, yeah. Okay, so commonly wingdings. Okay, special character, if need special character, a lot of shortcut is there. See, copyright, alt, control C, the copyright. See, then if you want section, insert, trademark, TM. Then see register symbol, alt control R. Lot of shortcut keys are there. Yeah. See, this is the symbols. Okay, then so this symbols useful for your career or any great documents or great project.